Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we are on a Tige ZX23. This is going to be the top of the line for this year. It's going to have plenty of diamond stitch throughout, grab handles galore, and cup holders throughout. This model is unique because it will have the removable center cushion if you want a true V-bow walkthrough, or little filler cushion to make it feel like the pickle fork front. As you see up here on the tower, we have this fully equipped with your dual Audison tower speakers and the surf bimini that is stowed in the current position. This boat is very luxurious throughout. You have tons of diamond stitch and other options as well. Being that this is a 23-foot, you will have 16 people capacity and the Raptor motor powering the boat. This boat will have your surf seat that flips up, your transom transformation, rear view camera. This boat is all equipped and ready to go if you want to do surfing, skiing, or wakeboarding. It's also a great boat if you just have some day use that you want to go from here to another marina or get dinner on the lake. If you have any questions about this Tige or how they surf, please give us a call. Our number is in the link below.